Good afternoon, Athens. Student meteorologist Michael Donehoo back here in the Weather Dog studios. Take a look at those current conditions right now here in Athens, Georgia. 92 degrees. Those feels like temperatures still pretty hot out there in the upper 90s. That's going to continue to be the case over the next couple of days, but those temperatures will begin to drop off. So we do have relief in the near future. This afternoon, Athens going to be peaking at 97 degrees. That's going to be the hot spot of the region. Most of us here in North Georgia are going to be seeing those low 90s just about across the whole area. Northwest Georgia going to be the first ones to begin to cool off, and that's because they got some rain up there. Zoom it in here, knocking on the door right now in Calhoun as this cluster of storms begins to cross over the Georgia-Alabama line. Parameters for severe weather aren't quite in place. Conditions more than likely going to be having some downpours and 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts associated with this cluster of storms as it continues to track towards the east. We take you on here through this afternoon. You can see those storms and showers just going to be peppering the map as we go through this afternoon, clearing out tonight. Very similar story going into tomorrow. You can see it just start to blow up here right around that daytime heating. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, going to be seeing some scattered storms out here across much of the area. Do have a cold front that's going to be stalling out here just to our north, and that's going to be helping to initiate some of our storms over the next few days. We'll roll you on here now into Thursday. Again, rinse and repeat here. We're going to have a few showers and storms, probably fairly short-lived, but certainly most of us will likely see a shower or storm here at some point in the next couple of days. Best chance of rain more than likely will be towards the end of the week. Let's take a look at those rain totals. We are in a drought, so this is very good to see. This won't all be at once. This will be accumulation over the next few days. That's certainly a good thing. You can see most of the region here is going to be seeing anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. Some areas possibly up to 3 inches. Take you on, here we go, here's the coverage over the next few days. It's going to be widespread and scattered going into today and tomorrow. And by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, those are going to be a little bit more promising for some rainfall for most of us. And the weekends, very similar story. We'll still have those isolated summertime thunderstorms during the afternoon. Going into tonight, partly cloudy. We will clear out, 73 degrees tonight. And that heat wave is still hanging on tomorrow. Highs 95 degrees. Those scattered storms will be out there, so hopefully we'll get a shower or two, again, just to cool us off. But we take you on here through the extended forecast. This is a really fantastic thing to see. Highs dropping now back down into the upper 80s. Average for Athens this time of year is 92, so we're actually going to, believe it or not, be below average for once. Going here into the weekend, you can see still a pretty good chance of some isolated and scattered storms for much of the region, drying out by Monday, and then that chance returns going into next week. More than likely, we'll start to edge our way back towards those 90s as well. So we'll keep an eye out for those storms. We'll let you know if anything changes. We'll keep you updated on those rain chances and rain totals over the next coming days. Once again, student meteorologist Michael Donehoo, and have a fantastic rest of your week.